Okay guys, like Train Spotter HD, and welcome back to another new video. I'm back at Marsh Barton again for another video, second video here. I want to give you the big support that you showed me in my first Marsh Barton video that I did. Tremendous support there from you guys, so thank you very much for that. Got over 60 likes and a few comments. That is brilliant. Brilliant feedback, brilliant likes. So keep it up guys. You have been showing me the support lately on my last few videos as well, so just keep it up and I'll do my best to produce the videos. So yeah, like I said, I'm here at Marsh Barton this morning. I'm going to do a video here. There is a steam tour coming down today from Taunton going to Kingswear. It'll be the Sir Nigel Gresley again. I have seen her twice, but I thought I'll see her again at Marsh Barton, because this obviously be my first time seeing an actual tour at Marsh Barton, so it would be slightly different, even though it's the same tour, the same steam locomotive. It'd be slightly different because it's at a different station. So yeah, and I will record other passenger trains coming by or stopping here as well in this video, so it should be made for a good video. So you will see services from Great Railway and Crosscountry, and you will see the rail tour from Taunton going to Kingswear. So that'll be the state of play for today's video in this morning. Then I'm going to actually make another video this afternoon. I'm going to go to Totnes this afternoon. I haven't been to Totnes for a while, so stay tuned for that video guys. So yeah, just trying to get to stations I haven't been to in a while really, so hence why I went to Newton Abbot midweek. And then, like I said, go to Totnes today, which I haven't been to Totnes in quite some time. So I thought I'd give Totnes a bash this afternoon as well. So two videos coming for me today. So yeah. So yeah, the weather should improve today. It was raining this morning, but it should improve this morning, and we should see some sunshine for the rest of the day now. So that's good on that perspective. So we'll come back shortly with the very first train of the video. Okay guys, so we'll come back into the video here at Marsh Barton. We should have our first train about to come through now. It'll be a Great Railway service from Penzance to Exeter St David's. So it'll be called by a castle set, this one. Also, it was good to see the castle set still running. I think they're going to keep one or two going into 2024 apparently, which in my view is very handy. Despite its age, I reckon the castle sets are still running strongly in my view, so why get rid of all of them? Might as well keep one or two. They could come in handy going into 2024 for sure. So yeah, and this service is more or less on time, running about 2 or 3 minutes late, but we'll call it on time. Good old incinerator next to the station, eh? That's the only problem here. Obviously you got the incinerator next to the station. It does bring off a rather unpleasant smell, but like I said in my first video, you kind of get used to it in a way, weirdly. So yeah.
The fast train now approaching platform 2.
It's coming through now.
Does not stop here. Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs.
It's 43189 at the front and 43010 at the back. Nice tones by the driver. There she is.
Lympstone Village and Exmouth. This train has 3 coaches. Exton and Lympstone Commando are request stops, and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to leave.
Here is 165112 guys, we're going to service to Exmouth. We'll keep the camera rolling for a bit actually, to be honest. Be round to it leaves again. 165112 on the Express Payton line today. That's good. Free car 165. Often see that one. There is a double 158 as well, but unfortunately that will be swapped very soon when it comes back down here, which is not too far away. We'll still see it on camera, but it won't stay on the Express Payton line for very long. So yeah. So we got a service coming through on the opposite side.
May I have your attention, please? Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
It comes through the service from Exeter to Payton, coming through, not stopping. Another turbo on this one, 16203. Nice tones by the driver from that one, that's good. Obviously the good thing about this station open up, of course, because it's down the road, that's the one thing. And I can see all tours coming through here now without having to go to St David's or St Thomas now. So this is obviously I'll be waiting for this station to open up. So yeah. Okay, we'll be back shortly.
Does not stop here. Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs.
Okay, service from Penzance to London Paddington coming through. AO2 106. That one's on time, would you believe? Okay guys, coming through now will be a Great Western Railway service from London Paddington going to Payton. This one's on time as well. Eight 318 number on the train. Okay guys, so we're back in the video, and coming in now is a Great Western Railway service to Payton. That's a double 150 on this one. And this is a service that stops at every stop to Payton. I think this steam tour will be behind this one. One 5265 at the front. I think it's the 207 at the back.
May I have your attention, please? Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
Okay, going out now will be the Great Western Railway service to Payton. This is on time as well. think I just felt a spot of rain there. The joys of British weather, eh guys?
The fast train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs.
Okay guys, well we're back in the video, and about to come through now will be Sir Nigel Gresley, steam tour going to Kingswear. More or less bang on time. First rail tour to be recorded at Marsh Barton. No. She is coming now. With the 47828 at the back.
Platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs.
That is 800 307, a service from Paignton to London Paddington.
Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs.
A02019, I'm assume service to car central maybe? That's only 5 car. I don't think that's a service to Paddington. I don't know if that's actually on time either. No idea on that one. But what I do know, the opposite train about to pass by now will be a cross-country HST from Leeds to Plymouth. I had to think about that one for a minute. And we're going to end the video with this train. Be a cross-country HST, 43303 and 43357. This one is, yeah, more or less on time. Three at the front, 357 at the back. And as she goes through, I'm going to leave it here at Marsh Barton on this Saturday morning. Yeah, not a quite a grey one now. Hope you enjoyed the selection of trains you see in this video, from that cross-country HST there a minute ago, to the castle sets, the IETs, to the 150s. Yeah, we did see a turbo as well, and also the Sir Nigel Gresley steam train. So overall a very good video. My next video will be this afternoon. I'm hoping to go to Totnes to make a video there. I haven't been there for a while, so stay tuned for that one. But if you did like what you saw in this video, leave a big fat like. Any feedback will be greatly appreciated. And until next time, from me here at a sort of a overcast and grey Marsh Barton, I shall see you all soon, guys. Take care. Thanks for the support.